This is an orientation video about loss of use, diminished value, and bodily injury claims after an auto accident. This is not legal advice, and outcomes vary depending on the facts, the insurer, the state, and type of claim. The goal here is to explain the terminology, how these claim categories are generally separated, and when they commonly apply. I'll also reference some of my real-world examples from my own experience in later videos, including situations involving electric vehicles and third-party insurance claims. This video is really just a high-level overview of terminology and process. The goal here is to explain what these claims categories are and when they commonly apply. Every claim depends on the facts, the insurer, the jurisdiction, and the documentation involved. This is about understanding the system and terminology so people can better navigate the process. Loss of use is a compensation for not being able to use your vehicle during repairs. Rental cost is often used as a benchmark, but the broader idea is a loss of transportation use while the vehicle is unavailable. In some states, loss of use may still apply even if the rental vehicle was not used. Electric vehicles can also introduce additional operating cost considerations if a gasoline rental replaces an electric vehicle during the repair period. As with all claim categories, outcomes vary depending on the facts, jurisdiction, insurer, handling, and documentation. Diminished value refers to a reduction in market value caused by an accident history. Even when repairs are completely properly done, including high quality or OEM certified repairs, the vehicle may still be viewed differently in the market afterward because the accident becomes part of the vehicle history. Diminished value claims most commonly appear in third-party situations where another driver was responsible for the damage. These claims are often evaluated using market data, comparable vehicle information, and other valuation methods. The exact approach and outcome can vary depending on the vehicle, repair quality, accident history, jurisdiction, and insurer handling. Bodily injury, or BI, refers to the injury-related damages arising from an accident. These claims may include medical evaluation, treatment, follow-up care, documented symptoms, and related medical billing. In many situations, the claim evaluation develops over time as treatment progresses and medical billing stabilizes. Depending on the facts of the claim, bodily injury may involve both economic damages, such as medical expenses or lost income, and non-economic damages related to the overall impact of the injury. As with the other claim categories, outcomes can vary significantly depending on the accident, medical documentation, jurisdiction, insurer handling, and the severity and duration of symptoms. These claim categories commonly come up after liability has been reasonably established and the accident has been properly documented. For loss of use and diminished value discussions, the vehicle is usually repairable rather than a total loss. Bodily injury claims often develop separately through medical evaluation, treatment, and billing records. In many situations, these discussions happen most often in third-party claims involving another driver's insurance.